I'm Emma, and today I'm going to be trying Malnati's pizza in Chicago. So I already showed you guys me opening the box because that's my favorite part. So I'm going to open it again. And I ordered a medium deep dish pepperoni pizza with extra tomato sauce and cooked well done. That's very important to get it well cooked done because the crust is just crustier. I also ordered a salad. It's their Malnati salad. So let's see how that looks. This is the dressing. I asked for some Parmesan cheese and red peppers flakes. I also ordered a root beer. I love root beer with pizza. And this is the Malnati salad. It has olives, tomatoes, cheese, mushrooms, and salami bits, all on romaine lettuce. That's good. So, I'm actually going to serve myself a piece of pizza. This one looks good right here. Let's see if we can get some cheese pull action out of one of these babies. Yeah, that worked. Okay. Okay. Got my pizza. I also got a glass of water. A little bit of every topping. That should be good. We have some dressing. This is just like a vinaigrette. Okay. So now, napkin on your lap first, ladies. Yeah, I want the crumbs to fall down. Now we're gonna take a bite of the pizza first. I like to start off with a fork and a knife because it's just massive, and get myself a nice bite right here. Okay. This is heaven. This is my favorite meal in the world. I'm gonna try some red crushed pepper on here now. And some Parmesan cheese. Some over the salad. Take a bite of salad to cleanse all this dough. I really love this salad because it has like salami bits, gorgonzola cheese, black olives, mushrooms. Like, it just tastes like a meal. You can make this at home and put some chicken on it. Good to go. And the vinaigrette, it's a little bit sweet, and it's a nice contrast to the salty bits in the salad. So I got on Instagram this morning, as I do every morning, and I was watching lives. No, not lives, stories. And I saw this one. Her page is Good Vibes for the Soul. I've been following this page for a while. It has a lot of good motivational quotes on it. And her story was about value, giving value, and receiving value. And she said one of the most valuable things that you can do is help people. So I'm gonna really focus on that the next time I go to work. Okay, excuse me. So don't get me started on scrolling, because I will just never stop scrolling. And you know what? I just started a TikTok. It's like the best thing ever. My screen name is Truxtami. And yeah, you can check me out on there. So once I get about halfway down on the pizza, I can easily pick it up and take a bite out of it without using the knife and fork. So here it goes. Drink water, guys. You always gotta stay hydrated. I always have to drink water. If not, I feel like I'm gonna die. Like, I feel like I'm suffocating up in here. That's why I always have a glass of water near me. When I go out, I have my Starbucks tumbler, or I just have a water bottle, you know, like, stay hydrated because water is life. Water with root beer as a chaser. So, I love watching mukbangs videos on YouTube. Especially when you're eating lunch alone, you just want to put somebody else on and hear what they have to say. Or if you're just like late night, kind of have the munchies, but you're on a diet. So you're just gonna watch some mukbang videos by your favorite mukbangers or some new ones that you come across. And they're just really entertaining to watch because you get to learn about good new food and try new things. I'm obsessed with this combo, the pizza and the salad. It's heaven. I put a couple of the salad tomatoes and cheese and sausage bit on my fallen piece of crust. So, it's like a little bruschetta. Who says don't play with your food? I'm adding a little more pepper and cheese because why not? And plus it's like, I just love spicy food. I have like every type of hot sauce bottle in my pantry. And we just gotta have it spicy, you know? I'm gonna put a couple mushrooms on my pizza because I'm feeling creative. Okay, let's try the mushroom and pepperoni pizza. That's good. That's really good. Oh, excuse me. So do you guys have any plans for the winter season? I'm thinking about going ice skating and see a light show and maybe rock climbing. You know, I'm still trying to get in shape. Oh, I've been working on Lauren's treadmill routine. 3, 12, 30. Oh my God, I'm dying. But it's like you feel so good after it. And if you can't do it, the 12 incline at first, excuse me, again. If you can't do the 12 incline at first, just work up to it. You know, I put it on 1, like, okay, I got this. 3, now I'm on 6. And yeah, little by little, it's gonna be a piece of cake. Or a piece of pizza. It's my last piece of crust. Oh. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for eating with me or simply just watching me eat. And I'll see you guys later. Enjoy. Bye.